I was so looking forward to coming into the studio and being with you and cooking. I even had booked a ticket for my mom to fly out. My mom's a huge fan. And I wanted to do like a cooking segment, me, you, Seema. And the thing that I was so excited for is that human interaction of us meeting for the first time and me not being able to cook very well because I'm not a good cook. And just having that very real, me looking like a dum-dum, but having a real human experience, you know? And I can't wait to get back.
And we will do that. Believe me.
I love it. Mom, if you're watching, Rachel said it's going to happen.
Are you cooking more now that you're in? Are you trying? Are you cooking as a family?
So we are cooking as a family, and I've had to kind of be, so now, you know, we just had our son, so we have 2 kids.
Baby boy and a little girl, big sister.
The baby girl's 2 years old, so we've gone from zone defense to man. She's my responsibility, so I got to cook the meals for her. The mistake that I make is I burn everything, whether it's eggs, Beyond Meat. The fire alarm is always going off.
I set every kind of bread on fire. If it's bread, it's toast in my house. I have a stunt toaster at the show. Her name is Jeanette, and she does all of my stunt toasting for television.
That's great. So the thing that I love that is burn proof is the Instapot, because you can just put everything in it.
You know,
and you let like physics and whatever chemistries that's happening in the pot, like just go to work.
All right. So when you come to physically to the studio, you have to tell me, give me a vibe, what you want to make. Okay. I'll make it in a regular pot. You make it in an Instapot.
Okay.
And we'll do and we'll have your mom do a blind taste test or something.
All right. I love it. I mean, you will beat me, but yeah. Rachel, how do we feel about the Vitamix?
I love the Vitamix.
I love the Vitamix.
I love it. I love what it makes. I love what it can do.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
Yeah.
And we're going into gazpacho season.
Yep.
And I go deep with the gazpacho.
You can make ice cream in it. It was the one time one of those guys, you know how they always have those guys at Costco and they have the full-on TED Talk microphone. A few years ago, this guy just gave me the full 30 to 45-minute speech. And he's like, I'm telling you, the Vitamix will change your life. And it's changed my life. Okay, Rachel, so I've had this dream, right? I've always had this dream where if I make it in show business, I'm going to get a pizza oven in my house. Now, you have one. Is the hype real?
I waited for 35 years for it, and I love putting stuff in it.
Okay.
Working next to it for the amount of hours that I spend in a kitchen feels a lot like hell, like than I've imagined.
Okay. So basically what you're telling me is I should just come over to your place.
Yes.
Enjoy your pizza oven, and then.
Yes, you should bring your family.
Okay.
Kids. Okay, you guys can be in the guest house. Come on over for the pizza. You'll stand next to this.
Okay.
Pizza's in and out, feel cool. And then you'll be like, man, that's hot. And what a bitch to clean. I'm going home.
Got it. Okay.
I am very excited about the new season. I'm glad it's happening, first of all, because I'm
really excited
to work.
Yes.
In this new way.
Yeah.
I think it'll be even more intimate. Yes, of course. We'll miss the cheers and seeing you interacting with actual people. But I'm really looking forward to seeing your more intimate take on the show. We will be there starting May 17th. I can't tell you how grateful we are to have you in our home, in our kitchen. I can't wait to actually have you in studio. Yep. You'll cook in the Instapot. I'll cook in an oldie-timey old lady pot.
Love it. Thanks, Rachel.